365, which is Microsoft Office 365, how we will connect the users, on-premise users. Now here guys, on-premise users, when I'm telling them, it means that the on-premise server which we have created, the Active Directory server, and you can say the Active Directory server, which is our domain controller, okay, which is a DC01, the machine is there. Now here we have created the users, okay. Now for connecting or syncing these users into the Office 365 guys, what we need to do, we need to have a specific tool which is released by Microsoft, which is called Active Directory AD Connect V2, okay. So this is the tool which is responsible for connecting the on-premise users in our local system to Microsoft or to Office 365, which is a cloud environment, you can say. So we'll go to the official website of Microsoft, and there we will install this tool called Microsoft Entra Connect. Okay, because the users who will be enrolling into our Office 365 Admin Center, they would be you will be able to see in the Entra Admin portal, because it's identity and access management. So I will go to Entra Admin also, entra.microsoft.com. So once our motive will be to install this AD Connect or Entra ID Connect portal on our a DC0 machine. Here we will install this tool. Okay, and once this tool will install, we'll sync the users through Office 365 Entra Admin portal. Okay, so here we will enroll those users, and here we will see that the users will enroll. Which are the two users? The users which are in our server, which is in our DC80, DC01, the users which are there. Okay, these two users, when we go to Active Directory users and computers, there we will see, and those users will be able to see here, okay, in our Entra Admin portal. So guys, let's go to the official Microsoft website, and here we'll download this tool called Microsoft Entra Connect. Okay, that is the decommission one, Microsoft Entra Connect Health. So this agent will install on our on-premise machine, which is DC01, and after that, we will ensure that this machine will be health checkup will be in place, and we can synchronize those users which are there in our machine, in our on-premise domain controller, guys. Okay. So first I will log into this machine with which my previously created password. Okay. Now I will go to the Microsoft Entra ID admin portal, and here I can type this connect health, and after that I will download an agent from here. I clicked on here because it would be responsible for ADDS services, which we have seen here, the Active Directory domain services. So it will install this agent on our machine, which is our on-premise machine, and here we will install it, guys. Okay, so let's see here. Now I will install it quickly. Sorry, I will not install here. I will in fact install it on our I will copy this and I will install it on our which machine, domain controller. Here I will install it. So let's take on the console of this. So I will have to paste it here somehow. So I will go to File Explorer here in this server. I don't know, file option paste will be there. Okay, File Explorer is open. Let's see, we'll try by pasting it on our Explorer window. Let's on desktop only, we'll paste. Okay, desktop only, we'll paste this. So the download location, I will copy it from here, and then I will paste it here. Okay, so we have to provision this by pasting, because since we are able to, it's not connected this machine entirely, so we have to connect it by means of certain configuration. So we'll check in next video like how we can paste it on our on-premise machine, and thereafter then we can start the synchronizing users. Okay, guys, so please stay connected. Thank you for watching.